My name is Mike Darch. I'm the Executive Director of Global Marketing at OCRI, and we look at incoming and outgoing investment, incoming, outgoing trade, and research partnerships for the City of Ottawa.
And so what are you launching here today?
What we've looked at is that the world is changing with respect to foreign trade and foreign investment. It's moving to two-way trade, two-way investment. It's moving to away from the large investments to smaller investments. And above all, it's moving to an emphasis on cities as opposed to countries. So city regions are becoming far more important globally in economic well-being.
And so why are you trying to encourage foreign investment in cities like Ottawa, Calgary, Vancouver, Toronto, across the nation?
What we're trying to do is certainly there's a message, invest in Canada, and everybody now knows that we have the soundest financial system in the world, and we've had a long history of sound financial management, etc. A lot of times emphasis in Canada has been on going to a province, etc. What we're trying to put in there is we have 11 cities. We represent over 50% of the population, over 60% of the economic wealth of Canada. And increasingly, it's that city-to-city relationship which is important. So what we're trying to present, as opposed to a federal, provincial, municipal, is a federal and then a municipal move across and showing the strength of 11 of Canada's strongest cities.
Why is it important to be doing that now?
I think it's critical as the world comes out of a recession. The world has definitely changed. You can read all the newspaper reports. Certainly the countries like India, China, Brazil are becoming far more important. A little farther out you can see Africa is going to become more important. And quite frankly, we don't have the resources to cover all of those areas. And quite frankly, we need unified messaging because it's very competitive out there. So what we're trying to do is, under the Canada banner, create that unified message with the federal government, with the provinces, and get out there and leverage the resources of 11 cities to make our individual cases.
Yeah, just a couple more questions. One being, why would it be attractive for a foreign investor to look at a particular city in Canada?
Well, when you look at reality, companies don't really locate in a country. They locate in an individual location, and in that individual location they look for certain resources. Here in Ottawa, our biggest attraction, in fact, is talent. And our biggest attraction in the talent area, in those areas of information and communication technologies, and more specifically areas like wireless, photonics, that's optics, etc. We had the announcement yesterday of Sienna. There's an announcement today of an expansion of Huawei facility in Toronto, but that's connected to the earlier announcement of the expansion of the Research and Development Center here in Ottawa.
And I guess just finally, how are these websites going to work? What are they going to look like?
What we're trying to do, we still are individual cities. So what we're trying to do is give an overall message that gives why Canada, builds upon the message that Foreign Affairs and International Trade is putting out there now, complements that with the strength of our 11 cities. Don't ever forget that cities like Chongqing are the size of Canada. So what we're trying to do is show that here in Canada we do have that critical mass of talent, expertise, innovation, etc. So we're trying to get the message out that Canada is a great place, and there's great places to be competitive throughout the world.